prep this metal section here, and then it'll come out. So when you push it down, it just pushes all that out.
I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky.
Alright, now part 2 of this picking pull is taking the bumper off, relieving the reinforcements. But the bumper's coming off and going with me. So we've already taken off the fender, so if you need to know how to do that, it's in the previous video. Now we're going to get this done. How's it going? Good. Alright, so it's this bumper's held on here, here, and here at the grill, and here. And probably under this as well. We don't need the grill, we just need, well, it all comes together, I guess we'll take it. And then take it off at the same spots on that we did on the other side, here and here, so, which we can't see. Take this off again. Oh, and these damn 7mm. What the hell, Chevy? What the hell? Alright, so I think we might be able to reach those from inside. No, we're going to have to take out that inner wheel well. So, let's get on it. Let's see, from underneath, let's check that out real quick. We've got more 7mm bolts to take off. That's really the heart of what keeps the bumper on. So, the cover anyway. Just to make it look pretty. Alright, let's get this going. Good news, it's going to go a lot faster because I found my adapter for my Gearwrench drive. Alright, so just in here, this is a bolt on the bracket there. No, we don't want that bolt. Just kidding. We've got to take these two caps off. There's one there. There's one closer there. So those two caps need to come off, and we're all good. And I believe they're 11mm. Okay, we're going to take this out. It's not a good way to get a view in here while I'm doing this. Yeah, I didn't take the one out there. I'll force it way in here. And I keep these. Show you. Like. There we go. Prep this metal section here, and then it'll come out. So when you push it down, it just pushes all that out. Save these. Definitely save these. Like so. Right now, make sure you also clean up after yourself. Don't be one of these jerks that throw everything everywhere. What you throw aside, someone else might be looking for. So, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/channel D6Spanky and on Twitter and Instagram at D6Spanky. If you would like to support me in putting out more videos, become a patron at patreon.com/D6Spanky. Thanks again for watching. Let's go learn something.